Hi. So I'm not doing much. It's thundering raining outside, and I'm extremely bored and watching my sister as usual. I don't know. Easter was good. I don't know, I'm kind of disappointed. I mean, I know I haven't been doing. We only have like 3 videos after I put this one up, but I kind of want more subscribers. I don't know. I think it'll be cool. So please subscribe and add me as your friend. Tell me things you want me to do. I will do it. And I don't put up videos every day because I'm at school. I'm busy. So, yeah. Stupid TV show. Yeah. Sister's very annoying.
Yeah.
See my other video. I don't know. I just came back from a friend's house for 2 days. I haven't watched her because I have a day off. So, yeah, my hair is up because it was. I got home from school and it was hot, so I just left it on. So it was just hot. So I just put it up. Ken, just shush. God. Swear to God. Yeah. Nothing much really is new. Just hanging. Really bored. Really bored. I live in an apartment, so it's not the greatest. Yeah. This video has no point. I'm bored, so I know I'm content right now. Just I'm bored, not really talkative. See me on my good days. Be really happy and hyper and shit. I'm not usually happy when I'm watching my sisters. I'm turning 3, going stage, so yeah. So please comment, rate, and subscribe, please. Please. Thanks.